Some jobs are required to be outside in this heat. Our Eleni Dowd talking to construction workers about how they're staying safe while building in the valley.
These are our cooling caps. So our cooling caps go, you wet them, wring them out, and they're worn underneath the hard hats.
These are the essentials for construction workers during this extreme heat.
This is our biggest commodity is water. We go through a lot of water.
Nate Ash is the superintendent for performance contracting. He says water, rest, and shade are key for him and his crews to stay safe while working on commercial buildings.
It's one of a kind. Arizona's heat is definitely its own monster.
He says their construction workers also chase the shade, meaning they'll always try to work in the shadow as the sun moves throughout the day. They also try to work earlier in the summer months compared to the cooler months.
Some job sites are starting at 4, some job sites are starting at 5. We've even started at midnight on some of the other projects.
Depending on what they need to work on that day, DPR Construction says it plans projects with how hot it is too.
For example, concrete. Usually concrete in Arizona does not get poured in the middle of the day. Those activities are happening between midnight and 2 o'clock in the morning.
Rotating crews out is another measure they take, letting some rest while others continue working.
The planning and coordination is critical. We either try to schedule those activities off hours. It could be that we are providing a tent with shade and air conditioning or evap cooling.
As this extreme and deadly heat continues throughout the week, construction workers are watching out for each other and will sometimes end the day with a nice cold treat too.
Our freeze pops. So freeze pops, these are very popular at the end of the day. So a lot of the foremen will go out, get some freeze pops, hand these out to the guys, have a little debrief meeting, get some productions, and they'll be able to enjoy a freezer pop together.
In Phoenix, Eleni Dowd, ABC15 Arizona.